My name is Helen White. I'm Chair of the Regulatory Board for Wales, and this video is to update tenants on the work of the Regulatory Board. Well, I think it's really important to make sure all tenants understand that everything we do at the Regulatory Board is ultimately about making sure that we deliver better services to tenants within the sector. We've been really busy. There's been an awful lot happening. We now have a judgment framework as part of the regulatory framework. And we've also been doing lots of work around our thematic reviews to help inspire and drive better practice in the sector. So our thematic review on value for money has started lots of great conversations, but I'm also really excited about the work that we did on governance. And I'm really pleased that our thematic review, which produced the right stuff, is being used in lots of housing associations to start conversations about how they can improve their governance to make sure they're delivering the best possible services to tenants. Well, I'm really excited about our next thematic review, and that's all about how tenants are at the heart of regulation. That's a phrase that's included within the framework, and I'm really keen to make sure that that's very real and that it actually means that tenants are at the heart of everything that housing associations do in Wales. Well, we're really keen that tenants are able to influence our work at the Regulatory Board, and we've made some changes to start making that a reality. We've got Tenant Pulse, which is giving us a wealth of information about tenants' views, but there's still quite a lot of room to improve how that works and to make sure we're asking the right questions and listening to enough of our tenants to really help them influence the work we do. Our thematic review on tenants at the heart of regulation will really help develop our thinking on this and hopefully help the sector start some new conversations about how they can go about making sure tenants are central to the work that they do. Well, it was great that so many tenants wanted to talk to us as Regulatory Board members and also to the regulation team at the TPAS conference in 2018. There's loads of conversations that we want to take forward about how to really put tenants at the heart. Well, I'm really excited about the opportunities that the thematic review presents for us to think differently about how we work with tenants and how tenants influence the work not only of the Regulatory Board, but also of their landlords. So I really would encourage you to get involved. Please make sure you're part of the conversation.